think it's time. I'll have to change the tires on all 4 wheels, as I said in part 14. When I change the tires, I might as well just give the wheels a little touch up and make them prettier again. And yeah, I think that's the New Year special. Let's do it. The whole process. First off, I'll get the tires replaced, and then I will sand it down with some 60 grit sandpaper, and then I will of course mask it off, and then I will use some paint, some silver paint, so it looks shiny again, and then if there is any overspray, I can use some glue remover, I think it's called. It should take it if it accidentally gets on the wheel. I mean the tire. I of course also have to get it balanced, but we have it all in there, and you'll see that. times better than before. Now it's just a waiting game, so I can put it on again. Now let's do the rear wheels and make them pretty like the front wheels. It looks so much better. So much better. It's so shiny and pretty than these rusty old wheels. It really needs this. It's perfect. Here it is all finished. It looks so much better. So much better than before. I also cleaned out these capsules on all four wheels, so that looks great too. So now it's finished and it looks so good. Really hope you enjoyed this video. This little New Year special, I think. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I wish you a happy New Year.